Hi everyone, in this video we're going to take in-depth look on Rivian Camp Speaker. Overview. Specifications. Getting started. If your vehicle is equipped with a Rivian Camp Speaker, locate it in the accessory dock of the center console. Updates. The speaker uses the vehicle's connectivity to receive updates when docked. Cleaning the speaker. To maintain the look and functionality of the speaker, occasionally inspect it for wear and tear through regular use. Wipe the speaker with a soft, dry cloth for surface stains. Battery. Checking charge level. On the speaker, press the lantern button 2 times. Charging the speaker. Charging with a USB-C cable. Operation. Buttons. The control buttons at the top of the speaker appear once the speaker powers on. Actions. Power states. Undocking the speaker. The speaker unlocks once the vehicle is in park or when the vehicle unlocks. Pull the speaker straight out by the handle to remove it from its dock. You can also unlock or lock the speaker from its dock on the center display by going to Settings, Connect Dock. Docking the speaker. The speaker powers down when it docks and begins to charge as the vehicle drives. Ensure that the speaker is properly latched in the dock. Turning on the speaker. If the speaker is on standby, press any button to wake it. If the speaker is off, hold down the action button for 3 seconds to wake it. Connecting with Bluetooth. Using low bass mode. Low bass mode turns off lower frequency bass for a quieter listening environment, such as for areas with designated quiet hours. Press the volume up and volume decrease buttons simultaneously for 7 seconds to toggle low bass mode on and off. Using the lantern. The lantern is controlled by a button at the top of the bezel. Cycle through the lantern brightness with a series of short presses: 30%, 60%, 100%, 0% off. At any time, hold down the lantern button to max out the brightness to 100%. Resetting the speaker. Hardware reset. Factory reset. Troubleshooting. Important safety information: the rechargeable battery may explode if it is incorrectly replaced. Contact Rivian for battery replacement. The speaker forces a shutdown to protect the battery if the temperature falls outside the range of -4 to +140 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 to +60 degrees Celsius.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel.